Let's be real, you've always dreamt of owning a supercar. The sleek design, the roar of the engine, the way people turn their heads when you drive by. There's just something about these cars that makes them special. Whether it's the aggressive stance, the insane performance, or just the feeling of sitting behind the wheel of a machine built for speed. But every time you check the prices, reality smacks you in the face. 6 figures? Maybe in another lifetime. A new Ferrari or Lamborghini costs more than most houses, and for many, that dream feels out of reach. But what if I told you that dream is closer than you think? Some cars look, feel, and drive like true supercars, without needing millionaire parents or selling a kidney. Some even share technology with their pricier counterparts. Today, we're breaking down 6 jaw-dropping supercars that deliver that experience for a fraction of the price. Let's start with one of the most affordable Ferraris, the Ferrari 360 Modena. Released in the late 1990s, it still looks stunning today. It's got unmistakable Ferrari styling, a 3.6-liter naturally aspirated V8, and a sound that makes your heart race. That high-revving engine produces 400 horsepower, and with a 0 to 60 time of 4.5 seconds, it's still quick by today's standards. The best part? You can find one for around $70,000, barely more than a BMW M4. A mid-engine Italian exotic with a screaming V8 for the price of a sports sedan? Not bad. Of course, maintenance isn't cheap. It's a Ferrari, but if you've dreamed of owning one, this is one of the most affordable ways to do it. If you're looking for something with pure class, the Aston Martin V8 Vantage is the perfect pick. It comes with a 4.3-liter V8, a proper manual transmission option, and timeless British styling. Unlike some supercars that scream for attention, this one is elegant yet aggressive, perfect for someone who wants performance with sophistication. With 380 horsepower and a top speed of 175 miles per hour, it's fast enough for the daily commute or an escape scene if needed. And here's the crazy part, you can pick one up for $40,000. That's what people are paying for a new Toyota Camry. The downside? The electronics are a little loose. But hey, that's part of the British charm, right? Yes, a Lamborghini can be within reach, and we're talking about the real deal. The Lamborghini Gallardo is the car that made Lambo more reliable, thanks to Audi. It features a 5.0-liter V10 all-wheel drive and one of the most aggressive exhaust notes you'll ever hear. This thing doesn't just sound good, it screams like a fighter jet. And get this, early Gallardos can be found for around $75,000. That's still a lot, but for a real Lamborghini, it's shockingly affordable. If you've dreamed of owning a Lambo without spending 6 figures, this is your best bet. Just be ready for costly maintenance, because even though it's more reliable than older Lambos, it's still an exotic car. If you want exotic looks without Ferrari or Lambo-level maintenance, the Audi R8 is your car. It's got a mid-engine layout, quattro all-wheel drive, and comes with a naturally aspirated V8 or V10, both of which sound insane. The V8 is plenty fast, but the V10 version shares DNA with the Gallardo, making it a true sleeper supercar. And here's the real shocker. Early V8 R8s are selling for around $60,000. That's less than a new Corvette. It's fast, comfortable, and reliable, making it one of the best affordable supercars on the market. If European exotics aren't your thing and you want a barely tamed beast, that's where the Dodge Viper comes in. This car is pure, unfiltered insanity. It's got a massive 8.3-liter V10, 0 driving assists, and enough power to put you in a ditch if you're not careful. The Viper doesn't hold your hand. It demands respect every time you get behind the wheel. And here's the kicker. You can buy an early Viper for around $45,000. That's a steal for a car that will scare the hell out of you every time you step on the gas. Just don't expect comfort, cup holders, or modern tech. The Viper is all about raw speed, and that's exactly why people love it. If you want supercar looks with modern efficiency, check out the BMW i8. This thing looks straight out of a sci-fi movie, but unlike most exotics, it won't destroy your fuel budget. It's got a hybrid powertrain with a turbocharged 3-cylinder engine and an electric motor that gives it an extra boost. It's not the fastest car here, but it's definitely one of the most futuristic. And here's the wild part. You can find used i8s for under $50,000. If you want a head-turning, high-tech sports car for the price of a new Mustang GT, this is it. So, there you have it. 6 exotic cars that won't destroy your wallet. Would you go for the Ferrari's Italian passion, the Viper's raw power, or the R8's daily usability? Let me know in the comments. And if you want more insane car deals, exotic car breakdowns, and automotive insights, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching. See y'all in the next one.